Good morning. We're in the midst of a polar vortex here in the mid-Atlantic. It is about 5 degrees with a wind chill in the double negative digits. I'm going to figure out today how far the smart car will go in this type of weather and see how far the range is decreased with these temperatures. So perhaps one of the greatest things about the electric car is that it heats up right away, almost instantaneously, and having a heated steering wheel is really fantastic. I made it into the grocery store with the heat on, and it was not a bad trip at all. It's very windy, but the crosswind assistant here does a good job of keeping the car on a straight track. I used about 10% to go 4.8 miles, so that should mean I can go about 48 miles, even with the heat on the way I had it, at about medium setting. I will wait to pass final judgment until I get back to the house and complete the full trip circuit, see if there's some difference between the first 10% of the battery and the lower percentages. Trip to the store and back is completed. It's now 12 degrees according to the thermometer in the car. The total trip distance was about 13 miles. I added an extra leg on the way home to try to give us some more mileage. I ate into the battery to 70%, so I used a total of 30%. I was still getting about 44 miles for the full battery charge, which is pretty good. I'm not seeing a lot of battery degradation in these lower temperatures with the smart car battery. In conclusion, we can estimate that even in temperatures down to almost 0 degrees Fahrenheit, the smart car is capable of going over 40 miles on a charge with the heat on and the heated seats and driving at a moderate pace. I'm anxious to get the car into warmer weather where I can see how far we can actually go. I'm hoping that we may be able to get above 80 or 90 miles on a single charge. That's all for now. Stay tuned, fans.